Because it was something like, was it another 10 or 12?
12, it was 12 to 13 years before I got back into on radio.
Was there a certain...
Clearly there was no animosity and nobody meant me any ill will. But you have to deal with these things when they come.
Did certain people have to retire from certain jobs before you ended up...
I think that may well be the case. And this is inevitable in some cases, I suppose. But there were those who would have said, no, not having it, not coming back. And it was difficult. That was a difficult time to go through because all you had done was go to somebody else. Now, you look at Pat Kenny, who's gone one way, you look at Ray D'Arcy, who's gone the other, if you will, and all of that going on, and now it's okay. But at the time, it was a different vibe, just a different vibe. No one had done it before. And yet other people came in back to RTE ahead of me. Richard came back, and David Davenport and various other people seemed to be able to come back, but I was perceived to be the flag waver, I suppose, which was incorrect at every level then and now. Yeah. But so it was difficult to get back. But TV said we have no problem. The TV opened the door and in I came, which was amazing. And I was very fortunate that individuals within the television world, people like Gabe Byrne, people like Moya Doherty, who was a producer at the time, said we have no problem. Lee Miller, one of the senior executives in RTE Television, said there is no problem. So they had no issue, which is interesting across a campus. That one side had nothing but if we have something, then you'll do it. Yeah. And as a result, and I came back and I did quite a lot of things. And lived on television alone, which is not common in this country.
And became...
Because I'm not common.
Absolutely became part of the furniture within a few years. So.